Hello, my name is Javins Marlario, and I am taking Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management. I'm from Brighton Branch, and this is my performance. Caring. When we say caring, it fairly conveys the word concern. The word caring may serve as concern, and concern refers to its human nature to a person, which is applicable to all people, especially to those ones in service. Observant. When we say the word observant, we normally do this even there's no acquired time. Being observant requires a clear mind and inner peace, which it compromises our mind before reacting. Mindful. When you are mindful person, you treat it as a wise one because you can manage your thoughts, ideas, and point of view about some matters that involve hot issues. Friendly. Aside of being mindful, this is the best part, or should I say, most important personality, especially in doing services. Being friendly is not just a good personality, but a wise choice because not all person you meet is true. Some are fake. So, if a lot of them are fake and liars, then be rare. Be true to yourself. It doesn't matter if don't reciprocate your manner as long as you are you, and that's all that matters. Obliging. When you are in service, you may think this personality is needed to do, but if you apply this with compassion, then you serve it with eagerness. Responsible. Being responsible is not a people's obligation to do. I mean, we don't know what's other point of view, what they wanted to do, and what they don't. When you are a responsible person, even you aren't commanded, you yourself willing to do it on your own. And that is what we call the responsible. Tactful. When you say the word tactful, it means you consider other people's feelings and respect their opinions or ideas, which it may preserve your relationship to his or her. Being a tactful person is a good personality. Aside this, you can manage to avoid or prevent the sensitive topic that may affect your relationship to other people, especially when you are in service.